side. Maybe we have to go through here.
Hello, how you going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
That doesn't look nice. I could have always hold him down.
These all local? Just local?
It's 18 years ago. It's all local.
That's something really. Morning. Morning. Yeah, lovely day, isn't it? Beautiful day. Yeah, gosh. Eucalyptus oil.
Oh yeah, from down West Wild, straight off the farm.
Yeah.
And it's processed down there on the farm, so it's all pure. Lots of good for. It's good for itches, it's good for putting those burners and good for taking the car off your car, different things like that.
It's really good for cough cold.
Cure for all.
It's straight from the farm.
Eucalyptus oil. Strong. This is the Princess of Congo.
Yeah, how do you do? It's good to see you. We'd like to go and visit your country one day. That'd be good.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How are the markets today?
Yeah, good.
Nice
Perfect
day.
weather, beautiful weather. You know what else?
Local crafts.
Yeah. They're beautiful.
Thank you.
I think they might like to interview someone. Is there anyone in the Tongan delegation who might like to speak?
Maybe look at the next week.
Would you like to just do a quick interview with the team? Just one question.
Thank you.
She'll do the interview.
Oh, Julie, thank you so much.
Do you want to have a look at the other side or just keep going?
I just saw
So we go for morning tea and then the art gallery. We'll just walk to that. It's just that. You want to walk through the park here, Emmy, right like that? Yeah. And have a look. Show the Got two points in third place. Both working in the same place with him and Graham on the market. Now he's meat services.
Thank you. See you.
A lot of time being
Let me try and get the hotel, please, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Which one do you like, Emmy? You've been here before? Yeah. Which one do you like? What's your favourite?
Go, Emmy! Woohoo! Hope she can get off.
Who's next? Good?
Good job. Good girl.
Well done. That look like fun? This has been done in a model that's shared around Australia called Libby's Place, where it's inclusive for people who've got children with disabilities.
That's cool.
Yeah, so there's already a model and a system that works there we just tapped into.
Okay,
So that Libby's Place. Yeah, that's
Inclusive program.
yeah. So if you look that up, you'll see what they do. You can actually get a much cheaper price on all of the equipment because they have their buying power so big.
design, mate. What's the hospital bathroom? How are you meant to look after Toggin if you can't look after your own?
Welcome to the Cultural Precinct. I trust you had a lovely morning out in the sun keeping warm. So thank you for coming and welcome to Gunnedah Cultural Precinct. I'm going to go on a bit of a tour this morning. The gallery, which is over on the right side of the building, was built in 1988. And then in the early 2000s, the addition of the Civic Theatre was made, and then in recent times it actually had a refurbishment where photos were collected of the community members who had used the area over time, and a beautiful photo mural has been created, which is very exciting. So people get to come on in and reminisce each time they come. So heading on through here, we have the visitor centre. We've got Leanne over here who answers all of the questions for people who visit the area. And behind her we have a beautiful mural that depicts our two rivers that actually run in past the town. And it was actually created over quite a number of events where people set up and actually had clay available for community members to come along and actually make a tile. So each little piece was created by a different member of the community of all ages and all backgrounds, and then pieced together to make the beautiful artwork. It is a touch and feel. Feel free to get up close and have a look. And then if we come on through this way,
This is a famous koala.
keep coming guys, there's plenty to see, and there's a beautiful morning tea at the end of it. Come on through everybody so that you can all see. at the cultural precinct, just out through the glass, which we won't venture out to today because it'll be freezing cold out there in the shade. But we have a beautiful gum tree, and each leaf was created by a primary school student. There was over 200 students that created a leaf, and then it was assembled up on there, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so then we come through here. The front gallery is run by our local arts community called Arts Canada. Come on through here. So basically every 2 months our local artists get together and change over their works, and they sell their works here. They also run very regular art workshops where local community members and artists can come and practice and strengthen their practices. Okay, so, and then every year in July, of course, we have our NAIDOC exhibition. So come on through and have a look at our display. So every year, the Bicentennial Creative Arts Gallery calls for community members, schools, community groups, elders, everybody to band together and create a body of work that depicts and celebrates the NAIDOC theme for the year. So this year's theme was for our elders, and I'm going to invite you to take some time to just wander around and enjoy looking at the beautiful artworks that are on display. We've got works from children as young as 11 months old, all the way up to works created by our beautiful elder Gamilaroi ladies. So come on through, spend some time meandering around and enjoy. I'm here to answer any questions if you have them.
Which one?
Birmingham. Might be nice to have a photo. Get over delegation. Andrew, can you ask the delegates?
That's
Morning tea. In the next group, would you like to go and grab something to eat?
Romans don't like to eat. You have to go for a walk now, okay?
One, two, three. One, two, three. Set.
We had a lot of fun raising the money. Everybody was giving the things for the raffle and people bought their tickets. We're more than happy to support. We hope what's going well. Enjoy morning tea? Yes.
Get in there, Sandy.
You missed Jamie.
Beautiful. Hey Sandy, how are you?
So good. I was tidy mouth. How many months ago we tried to get together? So that was fun. So sorry, not today.
Like to send it and bring some good pictures. Oh, that's good pictures. Encourage everyone to eat.
Thank you.